been modified because they were missing this link. It should be with one bolt. Okay, I got it. So the pump is free. I got it loose. It's turning. Clean the bar. It's heavily used, but I leave it that way and put some oil in it to see it's good. Put oil here in back and turn it over. It's all free. So I don't know if the hose will hold the pressure, but we'll think if the hose will hold the air, the compressed air. I will give it a go and curious if it will work. Still work after all these years. Probably been used to 1970 or earlier. They stopped with it. They used it at a shipyard in Hendo Kilo Ambacht, but they closed the blacksmith and that sort of old stuff using in the 1970s, and they turned over the shop, the business, to another kind of doing. And all these years it was still laying there. It's Stihl Pl. I also wonder why one on the forum is LP and this one is in PL. Hope to find out. Cheers, guys.